Decided to go the distance with your beard? You may be wondering what you can do to spice things up a bit. After all, it seems that most of the beard styles out there are only for those with close-cut or medium-length beards. Many people assume that if you want a long beard, there's only one style. However, beard beads are a great way to give yourself a little more style without sacrificing your beard growth. They are exactly what they sound like: beads that get placed in your beard. They can come in many different materials such as plastic, wood, or metal. They also come in various styles, colors, and sizes. Essentially, they are jewelry for your beard. Beard beads have been used in many cultures throughout history, most notably in Norse culture. Vikings would braid their beards and use beads to keep the beard clean and out of the way. Beards were also a sign of prestige in Viking culture, and keeping one's beard healthy and styled correctly was important. What is the hardest part of learning how to use beard beads? Choosing both a beard style and the type of beads you want to use. Perhaps you want to try a triple braid with beads to hold the braid at the end. Or maybe you want a simple ponytail style beard that has a few beads in it. Regardless, once you have decided what kind of style you want, you will need to determine how many beads you need and what you want them to look like. Using them is pretty simple. Once you have decided on a style, you will need a piece of thread so that you can easily thread a bead into your beard hair. First, grab the clump of hair you want to thread the bead onto and rub the thread around it a couple of times. Next, wind the thread around the hair in a loose spiral until you have the thread forming the hair into a point at the bottom. After that, simply thread the bead onto the thread and up the beard hair to where the thread started. Then pull the thread out through the bottom of the bead, flare the end of the hair clump out again, and you are done. If you are going with a braid-bead combo, it's the same process, just with the bottom of the braid instead of the entire selection of hair. In the end, learning how to use beard beads will have your beard look amazing. They are a great choice to give your long beard hair some extra style. They also have the added bonus of keeping your beard out of the way, whether you are working or eating, meaning it's easier to keep your beard groomed and looking great. If you are considering a change in style or just looking for an easy way to maintain your long beard hair, then using beard beads is a great choice for you. Are you the type of guy who likes to stand out from the crowd? If your answer is yes, then there is a high chance that you tend to grow your beard out. However, if you notice that your beard does not seem to grow out enough anymore, then you can rest assured that there is a great solution for it: the beard beads. It can help a lot in making your beard look even more epic. Thanks for watching. Until next time.